Come in. Well, 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 look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I knew you were coming, I'd...
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages. I would like to present to you the Baking Diva. Oh, whoops, I meant the Magic Baking Diva.
That's right, everyone. Today I'm here to make you a magical dessert. I didn't have my magician's hat, so I put my crown on instead. But the problem is, every magician needs an assistant. What am I going to do? Where am I going to find an assistant? Wait, I know! Oh, who do I have here? Who is this?
Lucas.
Lucas. Say hi to everyone, Lucas.
Hi.
Lucas is my youngest grandson. How old are you, Lucas?
6.
And you have cards there?
Yes.
Are you going to be doing magic tricks?
Yeah.
And are we going to make something special today? Tell everybody about it.
Short.
Look at them. Tell them about it.
It's a magic cake, and it's a short video.
It's a short video, and it is a magical dessert. So anyway, oh, there's the clock is striking. That must mean we're ready to get started. What do you think, Lucas?
Yeah.
Shall we go into our magic kitchen and get started?
Yeah.
Are you ready, cameraman?
I'm ready.
Let's go! Look at it. Hi, everyone. So my assistant Lucas and I are back into the magic kitchen, and we are going to make for you a magic
dessert.
A magic pudding dessert, and it's so easy, right, Lucas? Even a child can make it. So are we ready, cameraman?
We're ready.
Are we ready, assistant?
No.
All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a pan. Now you can use, I think this is a 9 by 9 inch pan over here. You can use an 8 by 8 inch pan. Now the first thing you're going to need is your saltine crackers. I bought the salted ones, and you're going to need a total of 32 crackers. But Lucas, how many crackers do we need for the first row?
16.
Exactly. So I'm going to pass over 16 of these saltine crackers to Lucas, and Lucas is going to line them up in rows on the bottom of the pan. So you okay with that, Lucas? All right, don't take too long because we told them, remember, this was going to be no eating, a short video. So here, let's get them in a row. And then when we get them all lined up in the rows, they'll all be touching one another. We're going to show you what they look like. So hurry, hurry, hurry. I'll help you here. Here you go. That's good. Once you get the first row, then they all stick together. Go ahead. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I made this magician's cloak.
By yourself.
I'm going to say, I don't even remember, 30 years ago. Has all these sequins I sewn on it. That's when I was in my heyday, and I dressed up crazy every Halloween. Do you remember this cloak I made, cameraman?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Lucas is doing good here. See? Now tip the pan up just slightly so the crackers don't all fall out, and the cameraman can see how you line them up. Just hold the pan up over here a little bit, slightly. Can you see that, cameraman?
Yep.
So that's how you do your first row of crackers. Isn't that easy? Wasn't that easy, Lucas?
And then you put pudding on top, and
now,
then another set of crackers.
Well, that's exactly it. So I bought, this is Hershey brand. You can buy any brand you want. I bought a small
Chocolate.
3.5 ounce or something like that box of instant. Has to be instant, right, Lucas? Instant chocolate. And Lucas and I made it ahead. Actually, Lucas made it for me. And we have it right here. We put 2 cups of cold milk in it. Lucas mixed it up. What'd you mix it with, Lucas? Do you remember?
Whisk.
A whisk, that's right. We put it in the refrigerator till it turned into pudding. And now we're going to put a thin layer of it on the top of these crackers. So can you spoon it? Don't get it on the sides of the pan, just on the crackers. How about I do this and you do the crackers?
Okay.
Okay, all right, so we're going to spoon this on the top of the crackers.
Hey, you said I was going to lick the bowl. You're taking a lot.
No, I'm not taking a lot. You can lick the bowl. Oh, my grandsons, they like to bake with me. They've been baking with me since they were babies. But why? Why do you bake with me?
I like to lick the bowl.
He likes to lick the bowl. But you also like to bake with me, right?
Yeah.
And you like to eat your desserts? All right.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to take this little spatula. I'm going to gently try to spread the pudding mix over those crackers.
The crackers are like not apart.
Yeah, they move in a little bit, but we're just trying to get them in there, right? Let's go here. Okay. All right. Thank you for helping, Lucas. Let's get them over. They'll be good. There we go. Let's get them crackers covered.
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy. You're just waiting for that bowl, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
That's my favorite part about every single video.
I know. And you've been in a lot of videos with me, right?
Not a lot. In a couple of days, I did.
Well, not recently, but since you were little, you've been in a lot, right? Get your fingers out of there. We're covering them.
Put it like.
All right. I'm going to get to the edges. Okay, here we go. Got to get it to all the edges. It's all covered. Okay, let me get it over here. All right. And.
Over there.
Okay, let's show everybody. Move your fingers out of there.
Ah.
Let's show everybody what it looks like. So what we did is we just covered the saltine crackers with a layer of our instant chocolate pudding. Now, how many more crackers do you need for the second layer?
16 again.
Another, and this kid is so smart in math, aren't you, in school? Oh my gosh. He rattles off all of these like math problems, don't you? Like addition. Tell them, some of them you know.
5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 80 is 160.
Not bad for kindergarten. Well, he's going into first grade, right? All right, so start putting your second row the same way you did your other row. Go ahead, go ahead. We gotta get started, no eating, on top of the pudding. Go ahead, let's go. Your job, your job.
Broken.
We have others, go ahead. Go ahead, let's go. Quick as a bunny, quick as a bunny. Woo!
Ah!
I always say, get your kids into the kitchen. Create memories, right? Get them off their electronics, their Fortnite, right? Here, put them on for a few minutes.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Yeah.
Do you like Fortnite? Oh, I know.
Play.
I know you play Fortnite. Get them all in there.
I get like 25,000 wins.
Does Grandma like Fortnite?
No. No guns allowed.
Tell them what Grandma says.
Ah.
Tell them what Grandma says.
Ba-da-da.
Grandma doesn't like guns?
Fixing
Does
that.
Grandma like knives?
Nah.
She doesn't like
No,
guns?
why are you using a knife?
That's for baking. Here, get the last row on. Hurry up. We don't want to waste time. We told the people it's going to be a short video. Here, get this one on. Here.
Done.
We got them supposed to be all close together. There we go. This little broken one I don't like. I'm taking that out.
I'll eat it.
I thought so, yes. Here you
Oh,
go.
here's the other
No, that one has to stay in. Go ahead.
Okay.
Now we're a mess. I'm going to lick it too. All right, so as you can see, everyone, we put our second layer of saltines over the pudding. Now what are we going to do next, Lucas? More pudding on the crackers, right? Right on top of that layer. Now you're probably saying to yourself, well, Diva, what's so magical about this? Well, I'm going to tell you in a minute. Got to get that all covered.
And lick the table.
You're just waiting to lick the bowl, right? There goes the clock again. I wonder what time it is.
12, I guess.
Okay. Let me see if I have enough before you lick the bowl to get the second coat of saltines covered. Very nice. Now, does anybody know what's going to go on the top of this chocolate pudding? Do you know, Lucas?
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip. Now, many of you have asked me when I've used Cool Whip, you've said to me, well, I'm not crazy about Cool Whip. Can I use whipped cream instead? Well, I will tell you that the Cool Whip tends to hold up a lot better.
And can I lick this too?
Maybe. In the refrigerator. Some people who have tried this with whipped cream have told me that if you add a little confectioner's sugar to the whipped cream, it works a little bit better. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. I've never tried it because I don't, I always use the Cool Whip on here. Now, one thing I wanted to mention to you, which is very important, for those of you who may be on Weight Watch, here, Lucas, hold this, but be careful. You don't want to cut your, yeah, don't put that in your mouth right now. So some of you who might be on Weight Watchers, who might be on a weight loss diet, what you can do is you can substitute this recipe for...
you do it better than me.
Well, I'm just older. For fat-free, you can use fat-free pudding, and you can use fat-free Cool Whip in here. And I believe they even have, I'm not sure if they have like a low-fat or a fat-free saltine.
Can I take off my hat and get the cards out of my hat?
Okay, if you want to. You have cards? Oh my God, look at your hair. You look like a rooster. All right, so look, cameraman, we have the second layer of pudding on top of this. Now, what I did, and Lucas, I know that you're dying to, so here's the bowl for you. Try not to get anything on your nice shirt, okay? I think the Diva has to go, woo, over here and get some paper towels for us. Because we're messy bakers today. Here you go.
I am.
Don't get anything on your nice shirt. I love baking with my grandsons. All right, so I bought a small container of Cool Whip. And I'm going to spoon the Cool Whip. Woo! Wrong draw. Woo! Gonna spoon this Cool Whip over the top. Okay. So now we're at this point, and you're saying, so okay, Diva, what's the big magical part of this?
I want that.
Well, first do the bowl. Well, I'll tell you, and this is the magic part. You don't do this, your dessert will not come out correctly. What you're going to do is, and this is the hardest part of this dessert. Well, we're going to spread the Cool Whip on the top, and then we're going to cover this. And here's the hard part. You need to put this dessert in the refrigerator for
24 hours.
See, he remembers for 24 hours. And you
say...
Or
you can leave it for 25.
But you say to yourself, but why? Why, Diva? I'm going to tell you. This stays in the refrigerator. The longer it stays in, those saltine crackers turn magical. They turn into the taste of like a phyllo dough.
What's that?
Or even a like a pie crust, and they are out of this world. So, Lucas, what do you think? Should we put this in the refrigerator now? Mm-hmm. You think we're going to be able to stand waiting 24 hours to eat this? That's going to be hard waiting that long, right?
Now, I'm going to sleep here tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yes, Lucas doesn't have camp this week, so he's staying at his grandparents.
We're going to vacation.
And then we're going on vacation the following week. And then he's staying with me the week after that. So this is what it looks like on the top. You can garnish this if you want with some chocolate shavings or whatever tickles your fancy. So anyway, Lucas, should we say goodbye to them until we cut this tomorrow night? All right, let's say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you in 24 hours. Say bye.
Bye.
Tick tock, tick tock. We're back, right, Lucas?
Yes.
And how many hours has it been, Lucas?
24.
24 hours for our magic dessert. So, Lucas, should we see if it worked?
Yes.
Okay, and let's see. Let's show them what it looked like. We decorated it with some little chocolate chips. So,
Abracadabra.
abracadabra. Let's cut a piece of that baby and see what we're talking about.
See this? He's our friend.
Yeah.
I call that.
We have different clothes on, you know, because we were swimming all
This is
afternoon.
my pajamas.
Yes. And we came home and showered, right?
First piece to little kid.
Yeah. And we're having our dessert now. It was hard waiting those 24 hours, so let's put this here. Would you like a fork assistant?
No, he's our assistant.
Well, we have 2 assistants. All right, let's get this first piece out.
Actually, 3 because.
Oh, look at that baby! Can you see that, cameraman?
Yes, just hold it.
The magic has happened! Look at that!
Chocolate.
Whoa! All right.
Look like.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Let me put that on your dish.
Okay.
You're gonna taste it? Give it a taste, assistant.
Our t-shirt, quite good.
Give it a taste. What do you think?
Good.
Thumbs up? All right. So, I'm going to have a piece now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, assistant, for helping me. If you like what you saw, make sure you always likes it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make a comment, and give us a thumbs up. And we will see you
Down below.